Alright, in this next inventory scene, we're looking at search and sort. The base setup is the same as the previous inventory scenes, so the only thing worth calling out before play is the teachable panel itself. This panel uses the same character inventory binding, but it has more item definition scriptable objects assigned. That gives us enough item variety to properly show ordering and discovery. Name, rarity, category, quantity, and search matches. Alright, let's run it. And again, each text is turned off for the video, so we can focus on the runtime flow. This panel is about finding and organising items. At the top, we see the wider set of items into the backpack. These still go through SceneInventoryService.GiveExact. We are not bypassing the real inventory service. The sort section builds an InventorySortSpec. That lets us choose the primary sort key, like name, rarity, category, or quantity. We can also choose ascending or descending, and whether empty slots should be pushed to the end. When we apply the sort, the panel calls SceneInventoryService.Sort, so the ordering behaviour lives in the service path, not scattered through the UI. The search section works the same way. The panel does not re-implement search rules. It sends the query to SceneInventoryService.Search, and the service decides what counts as searchable. In this setup, search can match item name, category, or tags. The panel only stores the matching slot indices, so it can highlight them in the grid. That's the important separation. The service owns discovery rules. The UI only displays the result. Down in the backpack grid, we're still reading the live container through the inventory service. When we sort, the grid updates. When we search, matching slots are highlighted. And when we clear the query, the highlights are cleared too. As usual, the last result section shows what happened. Sort operations return an InvOpResult, so success, failure, authority, and service issues can all be surfaced properly. Search is read-only, so instead of a mutation result, the panel shows a simple search summary. So this panel proves the discovery side of inventory. Seed through the service, sort through the service, search through the service, render the live container, and keep the UI out of the rules. That means your inventory browser, loop window, chest UI, or debug tool can all forward intent to the same service seam. No duplicated search logic. No random UI only sorting rules. Just one consistent inventory path.